9 fruits that may be damaging to your heart when overeating. Join me, guys, and let's all find out what are these 9 fruits. Let's go! While fruits are generally healthy, some can be problematic for heart health when overconsumed, especially for those with existing heart conditions, diabetes, or high triglyceride levels. You've heard it before. Eat more fruits for a healthy heart. But what if I told you that some fruits, when eaten the wrong way or too often, might actually hurt your heart? In this video, we're exposing the 9 seemingly healthy fruits that may do more harm than good, especially if you're at risk for heart disease. Stay tuned because number 7 might just surprise you. Here are 9 fruits that may negatively affect heart health if not eaten in moderation. The top 1 fruit that is harmful to your heart: canned fruits in syrup, loaded with added sugars that spike blood glucose and contribute to heart disease. Number 2, fruit juices, especially store-bought, lacks fiber and packed with concentrated sugars, bad for cholesterol and blood pressure. Number 3, dried fruits. Example given are dates, raisins, apricots. High in sugar and calories, may raise triglyceride levels. The fourth fruit that can harm to your heart, watermelon in excess. High glycemic index can cause insulin spikes that affect the heart over time. The fifth fruit that can harm your heart, bananas. Overripe or too many. High in potassium, which is good in moderation. But too much can be harmful if you have kidney or heart issues. Take note. The sixth fruit that can harm your heart, mangoes. High sugar content. Best limited in those with heart or metabolic conditions. The seventh fruit that can harm your heart, lychees fruit. Sweet and delicious, but high in natural sugar may cause blood sugar spikes. The eighth fruit that can harm your heart, grapes. Very high in sugar and easy to overeat. May increase fat storage around the heart. The ninth fruit or the last fruit that can harm your heart, fruit smoothies, especially with added sugar. Marketed as healthy, but often filled with added sugar, syrup, and low fiber content. Are you learning something new? If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more heart smart health tips every week. And remember, it's not just what you eat, but how much and how often. Let's continue. So, there you have it. 9 fruits that can sneakily harm your heart if overconsumed. The key isn't to avoid these fruits completely, but to eat them mindfully and in moderation. Let me know in the comments which of these fruits surprised you the most. And if you found this eye-opening, please share it with someone who care about it. Stay heart healthy and see you in the next video. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep flowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.